Alright, for the installation video on my 2015 Nissan Altima fog lights. Fog light installed there where the factory plastic piece was. Fog light there for the driver's side. Now for the wiring, all of the wires are tucked away in the grill. I haven't secured them yet. There are two wires. And they just go from one side to the other under the plastic part of the grill. As soon as I get this thing solid figured out, I'm going to use some plastic zip ties to attach them to the bottom skid plate bolts. Here is ground number one attached to this frame bolt. I removed the bolt, scratched away the surface to ensure I had solid metal to metal contact, and that worked for the test run. Wiring comes up around here. I added some more electrical tape to protect, and the main power source is tied directly to the battery terminal. Wires come up, and I have another ground over here. Again, I pulled the bolt up, scratched away the surface and ensured full metal to metal contact, which I did get. Right now everything is temporary here because of the issue. As soon as I have it figured out, I am going to drill a hole right here and actually permanently attach this relay. So the relay is the one that buzzes. This relay here. So the wires that go into the cab go down. I had to remove the air box, and will not be able to be seen through here. Down there is a rubber grommet that goes from the inside of the cab to the engine compartment. Under here, way up there, if I had a light, can't be seen. Up there is the compartment, or not the compartment, the grommet where the wires come through. The switch is installed right here, and the wires come through. The power supply for the, let's see, too much dark. The ignition wire is installed right there. An empty fuse. There's a fuse splice there, bought at AutoZone, that works like a champ. I have two 10 amp fuses inside that, and that makes the power happen. Just so you can hear it, these did work when I did my first test. So I turned the power onto the car. I have the light. I can turn this on, and there are no fog lights. Now I'll put this outside so you can hear it. So I should use my eyes. That's what I get. And this thing is physically shaking. The contacts are just going open. And you can see there are no lights. No light, no flicker. For fear of a fire, I'll turn those off again. That is the install. Solid connection, nice and tight. Solid connection, nice and tight. Solid connection, nice and tight. All of the lights worked until I reinstalled the skid plates. And when I turn the car off, power is secured to the fog lights. Thank you.